All right, let's talk about AI. You hear that term artificial intelligence thrown around all the time, right? But what does it actually mean for you in your day to day? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and show you how AI is already a part of your life, almost like this quiet, super helpful assistant you didn't even know you hired. So it really all starts with this one huge question. What if machines could actually think and learn? I mean, really think about that for a second. This isn't science fiction anymore, folks. It's the whole idea behind AI. We're talking about building systems that don't just follow a set of instructions, but can analyze stuff, reason through problems, and even adapt all on their own. Okay, so what is AI? Let's break it down really simply. It's basically technology that gives machines the ability to think and to learn, kind of like how we humans do. But, and this is the really important part, it's not just about a machine following a script. No way. It's about that machine being able to spot patterns and then make smart decisions because of what it's learned. It's easy to think of AI as something from a sci-fi movie, right? Flying cars, robot butlers, the whole shebang. But the truth is, it's already here, woven into our lives, quietly working in the background. In fact, I bet you use it tons of times every single day and don't even realize it. Let's dive into some examples that I'm sure you'll recognize. Okay, think about this. When you ask Siri or Alexa for the weather, yup, that's AI understanding what you're saying. Or how about when Netflix or YouTube suggests the perfect thing to watch next? That's AI, and it's learned what you like. And then you've got the really big stuff, like self-driving cars. I mean, that's literally one of the most advanced forms of AI you can see out in the world today. But listen, those big examples, they're really just the tip of the iceberg. AI goes so much deeper. It's stitched into the fabric of our daily lives in ways that are subtle, for sure, but also incredibly hopeful, starting from the moment you wake up. So that health app on your phone that suggests a workout, it's using AI to customize it just for you. Then you go shopping online and the store somehow knows exactly what you might want to buy. That's AI predicting your habits. And then you get to work. And now there are AI tools that can help write up documents or, and this is my favorite, tackle that monster of an inbox by summarizing all your emails. What a lifesaver. Okay, so it's clear AI is, well, it's everywhere. But so what? Why does this actually matter to you? The answer isn't about the cool, flashy tech. Not really. It's about the real, practical benefits this stuff gives us, every single day. When you boil it all down, it comes to this. All this incredibly complex technology has a really simple goal: to make our lives easier and a whole lot smarter. It's about letting the machines handle the boring, tedious stuff so we can focus on what's actually important. And when you look at the benefits, it all makes perfect sense. First off, it saves us time, right? Automating things like summarizing those emails we talked about, it improves efficiency by figuring out the best way to do things, whether that's a delivery route or your workout plan. It makes tough tasks easier, with those smart recommendations. And it can even help us learn faster by creating personalized study guides. See? All those things we mentioned before? This is the real-world value they bring to the table. So if you put all these pieces together, maybe the best way to think about AI isn't as this, I don't know, this big, complicated, scary thing. It's actually much simpler than that. You can think of it as our new smart assistant, one that's always on and ready to lend a hand. And really, that's the main thing to take away from all this. At its core, AI is just a powerful tool. That's it. It's a technology that was made by us, for us. It's designed to help us out, to boost our own abilities, and to assist with more and more tasks, both at home and at work. And that leads to one last really interesting thought to leave you with. As this technology keeps getting better and becomes even more a part of our world, the question really isn't if we're going to use it anymore, it's how. So as we look to the future, the real question becomes a personal one. What will you ask it to do next?